Oi, Elbow, wake up. We got stuff to do. Oi, Jim, stop letting off those eggy whiffers. Girl, there's not enough room in this place to swing a cat. I'm changing cars. Everyone get in. Ugh. At least we're going to go for a nice stakeout soon. Right. Guys, we've arrived at the stakeout position. Right. Wish you guys would stop farting. Smells like a gas leak in here.
Oh.
You know, I managed to find us a car with 3 seats in the front, so God, it's a bit tight here. Elbows!
That's because it's the back of someone's van.
Elbows, right now. No, I've just driven us here. God.
Yeah,
dear.
right. You
Well,
have. Just like you said, don't worry, I've got a full Peaky Blinders costume for you.
Yeah. Yeah, well, elbows. Elbows. Really? Yes. New recruit. What are you doing?
Don't damage the bunny ears.
Listen, this week is an expensive week, remember?
Yeah.
Listen.
This week, it doesn't look, it's not expensive.
It is.
It is not.
I love how you're doing this just to make the new recruit feel less silly looking.
Yeah, well, you know, we're on a stakeout. We've got to make sure. Look, there's been reports of the aliens returning. There's been reports of all sorts of weird stuff. We got to be careful.
Where's the steak already? I'm hungry.
It's frying
You're
in the
always
back.
hungry. Come on.
Jimmy's
I'm
frying
a
up.
growing lad.
Mm-hmm.
What was Jimmy doing?
Frying up the steak.
Awesome. I always knew why he was my favorite out of you two.
Right, can you open a window? We got exactly, you know, we got to see what's going on. Open a window.
There we go.
There's no window here, man.
There bloody is. Look, it's over there.
It's not there.
Oh. Yeah, we've opened the window. Right. Right, now. Okay, let's have a look. What's out there? Come on, have a look. Have a look.
Was that meant to be an ear flick?
No.
I was going to say.
They look like it was, you know.
Right, come on, being serious, boys. Look, come on. Let's have a look out there. Is there any suspicious activity going on?
No. Well, it's oddly sunny for a January early evening.
Really? Looks pitch black outside, you nut.
I know that people on camera can't tell.
Oh my God.
You know, welcome to, you know, I loved Call My Bluff back in the day.
Stop putting that down behind my back.
Quick. Right. Have you got the notepad?
I thought you had it.
I have it down here.
Excellent.
I look nice. It's so nice.
In nice colours and everything.
You write down. No suspicious activity seen so far.
I want to do something different now.
Listen! Next time we've got bombs to defuse.
But that's boring.
What? It's boring defusing bombs?
Yes. We need to do something action.
That is actually.
No, it's not.
It's too cool.
Action films.
Exactly.
Like, literally I know I'm not using the word literally here properly, but never mind. Use.
Oh!
Go get the bunny ears back.
No, we don't take
So,
them.
bomb diffusion scenes. So, fairly standard practice in like action
Well,
movies and stuff.
Put it back in my head.
Yes, dear. Remember who pays your wages. Right. I'll have a medium rare steak.
Okay.
What do you want?
Bloody steak.
Bloody. What do you want?
Reasonably done.
Tell Jim.
I don't know why you
Go
don't
on, tell him. Go on, tell him.
Where is Jim?
He's at the back there. Look. You see him? Look. He's at the back of the van.
Jim!
Yeah, dude.
I want my one bloody steak, yeah?
And I need mine reasonably done, and you know what I mean.
Okay. What is he doing? Ah! Sweet. Oh, no. The steak. We're compromised.
Oh no, you no.
Have
You see? This is why I don't like steak out.
you seen the aliens yet?
I can see one right there.
What?
I can see one right there.
What? Why?
Right there.
What? God.
Let him go out.
What was it, a deer?
Or the bunny.
Mind out. Wasn't it?
Fun outside?
Well, I hope that deer that you just attacked.
It wasn't a deer. It wasn't an alien. It was a vampire.
Nope, it was a deer.
Oh dear.
So technically, you just slaughtered a deer.
Slaughter you in a minute.
You think these things can actually slaughter things?
Yeah.
Like our bosses would trust him with that.
And
Listen.
I don't think they will, you know.
This
No,
is
no, they won't.
This is a Nerf Exploder Volume 5.
Nah, that's a fake. It's not real.
It's a real Nerf.
No, it's not.
It's able to kill people in a 5-yard distance.
Is that the reason why the deer is still alive?
It's not a deer. It's a vampire.
Is it? What do you think it is? Do you think it's a vampire? Or it is a deer?
I didn't think vampires normally had that much fur.
Exactly.
Well, maybe it's a werewolf then.
You can say things, but in my eyes, it's a deer.
Let's
Right.
just drop it, all right?
Werewolves do not have like well-groomed fur like that. They're usually sort of like in this kind of state.
You'll be in a state in a minute if you're not careful.
I already am. I'm
Field.
sitting next to you.
Yeah. Stop it.
Nah.
What's taking so long? Where's my steak?
Jim, where's the steak? Oh, mate.
If I don't eat my steak, I'm gonna be eating someone in a bit.
Right. Right, it's my turn to have a nap anyway.
The better for sleeping than awake.
Yeah.
Because when he's sleeping, he cannot pass to around.
And you know what else is really handy? That snoring will scare off any aliens within a square mile.
Yeah, do this. And he's not gonna budge.
Ah!
But don't need to
I'm sorry, Mum. I won't eat the last cream cheese again. Oh, where am I? Oh, oh,
You
oh,
just said, "Mum."
oh.
Yeah, he did.
What? No!
Yes, you did. You
No!
said, "Mum."
Hey, Cheese, you
Yeah.
did it.
What?
Your snoring scared
Yeah,
off
them
all the
away.
aliens.
Did it?
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent.
So I think next time he's always doing stakeout.
Yeah.
Sleep and snore, so they can go away.
Right.
Yeah.
No, we got bombs to defuse next time. It's only because you couldn't be asked to go out in the cold.
Listen, you and this bomb, yeah. So it's better. Listen, you know what? Leave us to be in. If you want to defuse the bomb, You go by yourself, yeah?
No!
But if you need us, that's cool.
I will do. They're eggy bombs.
Oh, no,
You're a
that's
special
You're
one.
really not selling it.
Exactly.
This to
You're not.
us.
No, you're not.
Listen, the fate of the world depends on it.
Oh, no, that doesn't mean.
Sulfuric egg bombs must be dispatched on.
What do you mean it depends on you, not us? Because you're the one that likes things that are creepy. We don't. We just follow you for the sake of it. Yeah, you can find us with that, but it won't work.
Right.
Next time, we've got bombs to defuse.
Okay, fine. But in the meantime, it's steak time. So let's
Exactly.
go. Let's
Let's
go
go.
eat.
Let's go and eat.
Right. All right then. Right, come on then.
You can't stay here and without eating, bro. Come on.
Who's gonna look after the fan? Oh yeah, Jim's in the back. Yeah.
Jimmy! Look after the fan!
Come on then. Let's go and have some steak.
Take it down, take it down.
Nom 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 nom.
Honestly, I do all this bloody work for them. How come they all went out for steak anyway? Didn't even buy more eggs before they blooming well left.
Is the camera on, Jimmy?
Yo, dude, the camera's on.
We'll start that again. Is the camera on this time, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Excellent. Sorry, I'll do that line again. Is the camera switched on this time, Jimmy?
Yo, dude, yeah.
Good. I know most things are switched on compared to your fashion sense, but good. Sorry, that was a bit of a secondary school insult. My mum always tells me that secondary school for her went... Sorry, I'm screwing up my lines big time here. Right. Is the camera switched on this time, Jimmy?
Yo, dude, yeah.
Where am I supposed to be looking? Just here. Right, sorry. Is the camera switched on this time, Jimmy?
Yeah, dude.
Excellent. I know most things are switched on compared to your fashion sense, but that's good to know. Sorry, that was a bit of a secondary school insult. My mum always tells me that my school days seem to go really quickly for her, but I was like, well, it seems to go a lot faster for me. Sorry, I've screwed up my lines here. Is the camera switched on this time, Jimmy?
Yo, dude.
Excellent. I know most things are switched on compared to your dress sense, but sorry, that was a bit of a secondary school insult, wasn't it? I keep forgetting how long it's been since I was at secondary school. My mum always says, your school days seem to go really fast. And I was like, well, when you have 5 years of puberty and Pythagoras theorem, Mum, it can feel like a lot longer. Right. Okay. Mine shot, everything good?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Well, this is Field Agent Field and Jimmy reporting for Essex FBI, and we'd just like to say thank you to all of you for watching our last video, where we had to do lots of running around looking for alien clues and stuff. By the end of it, we were all like, what the hell just happened? But seemingly lots of you liked it. So thank you all for watching, and there'll be more in future. Turn that light off, please.